The on-screen display, or OSD menu, is your gateway to customizing your Sceptre monitor's settings. This menu system allows you to adjust brightness, contrast, color settings, and input sources directly from your monitor. Most Sceptre monitors feature 4 to 6 physical buttons located on the bottom or side bezel of the monitor. These buttons are your primary interface for accessing and controlling the OSD menu. These buttons typically include a menu button for accessing the OSD, up and down navigation buttons for moving through options, a select or enter button for choosing items, and a power button for turning the monitor on and off. To access the main OSD interface, simply press the menu button. This will bring up the on-screen menu system, where you can see all available settings and options. Once in the OSD menu, navigation is straightforward. Use the up and down buttons to highlight different options, moving through the menu items one by one. When you find the setting you want to adjust, press the Select or Enter button to choose that item. To adjust values within a setting, continue using the navigation buttons to increase or decrease values as needed. When you're finished making changes, exit the menu by pressing the menu button again or by selecting a dedicated exit option if available. Sceptre has been continuously improving their OSD menu systems with more intuitive navigation and expanded customization options, making it easier than ever to optimize your monitor settings for your specific needs. Sceptre Monitor OSD menus contain 4 main categories of settings that control your display experience. Understanding these categories helps you optimize your monitor for any use case. Picture and display settings control the fundamental visual characteristics of your monitor. Brightness and contrast are the most important adjustments for comfortable viewing. Color temperature significantly affects how your display looks. Measured in Kelvin, warmer temperatures appear more yellow-orange, while cooler temperatures appear more blue-white. For professional work, sRGB color mode provides the most accurate colors. This standardized color space ensures consistent color reproduction across different devices and applications. Different activities require different monitor settings. Here are optimized configurations for the 3 most common use cases: general computing, gaming, and content creation. Proper monitor calibration can improve color accuracy by up to 25% and reduce eye strain significantly. These optimizations transform your Sceptre monitor into a tool perfectly suited for your specific needs.